Oleba principal, my study teacher, and my dear friend. First of all, good morning. My name is Janvi. I study in poem. 3 little feet, play in the pool, down in the water, clear and close, up come a beach, single and play. What a 3 little fish, sing, sing away. Clap your hand, listen to the music, clap your hand, stamp your feet, listen to the music, stamp your feet, turn around, listen to the music, turn around, roll hand, listen to the music, roll hand, jump a five, listen to the music, jump a five, roll hand, lolly polly, up, lolly polly, down, lolly polly, in, lolly polly, out, lolly polly, left, lolly polly, right. Thank you and have a nice day.